everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my bed today. It's like 10 in the morning. My boyfriend just went over and grabbed this for me. This is a little PR package from StarGem Cosmetics. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, I got some stickers. I got a diamond sticker. I got this. In here we have a little setting spray. We have a bunch of pressed pigments. My gold one decided to come apart. In shipping. So this is the finished look. Using StarGem Cosmetics, Norvina, and some Jeffree Star, and some Colourpop. So overall, my final thoughts on the shadows and pressed pigments. I really like the shadows. They blend out really well. They're not patchy. The pressed glitters. My only complaint is I don't like the goopiness texture. But overall, it does work really well. Have some of the loose glitters and stuff too that she sent me. So I'll have to use them in a different look. And I also have a setting spray. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will be back with more videos in the future.